Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove silence on your videos using this amazing app on Android. So oftentimes when you do maybe a video or some podcast, there might be some pauses or silence throughout the dialogue or the narrations, and you can easily remove that silence using this app on Android. So the app that I'm going to use is the Wing app. This is a video and photo audit editor that you can easily get from the Play Store if you are on Android, or App Store if you are on iOS. So let's just open the Wing app. And then here you can just click on this new button to start a new project, and then just select your video. So let's just click on new. Okay, so just find the videos that you want to edit. For example, in here I'm going to edit this videos right here. You're gonna just tap on start. Okay, so to easily remove that silence, first let's hear the audio.
What is a dad quality that you've proudly taken on that makes you...
Okay, so let's just hit on the audio, click on the audio, and then here you can just swipe through this toolbar at the bottom, and then you'll find this detect silence option. So just tap on that, and here you can see now it will detect the silence. You can adjust the sound decibels first. Sound below this threshold will be recognized as silent clips. So I'm going to just leave it by default. There is also the silent duration. This one is 1 second, so I'm going to go with 0.7 seconds, for example. So the silence clips longer than this threshold will be recognized. And let's just click on the start detection. Okay, so after this, the detection will be completed. If you want to redetect again, you can just tap on this. But if you want to directly remove the silence clip, for example, in here there's one silent clips throughout okay, two apparently throughout my clips. Here there are two silence clips, so you can just tap on this, remove silent clips, and after that you can click on a check icon and the silence will be removed from your videos. So that's pretty easy. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.